I am very delighted to be in this CFO conference for two reasons. One is in the capacity of the Vice President of South Asian Federation of Accountants. In SAFA, what is called as a SAFA, I have been chairing the Committee of Professional Accountants in Business because I firmly believe that this segment of the professional accountants has not received enough attention for a very long time. The second reason is that for the same reason in the International Federation of Accountants, I represent this region in the Professional Accountants and Business Committee. So, as a professional strongly focused on the needs of the professional accountants in business, both at a SAFA level as well as at a IFAC level, it's a very delightful opportunity to participate in a CFO conference which focuses on that segment. The contents of the conference, whatever has been put in the agenda, is really extremely useful in the days to come because it's a big departure from the usual discussions of financial reporting and taxation. Significantly moving away from that, the agenda is focused for the day on areas like sustainability, risk management, enterprise risk management, the challenges of the CFO, etc. So to this extent, both from the IFAC side as well as from the SAFA side, I congratulate the ICAP for having conceived this beautiful event. I am sure that they are going to repeat this in the days to come, year after year, thus serving the segment of PABs. Thank you.
We are very proud to be associated with the CFO conference जो ICAP और TerraBiz ने organize किया. I think it's a very relevant and a very important event for the industry. It is the first such instance. SAP is honored to be part of it and to be sponsoring it. As far as you know, हमारा role पाकिस्तान के अंदर, market के अंदर, especially in corporate sector, is कि हम transparency, better financial management देते हैं. So it is very relevant to the role of CFO. Increasingly, जैसे कि हमारे major customers वगैरह which are among the best and the biggest companies in Pakistan like Engro, MCB and the rest, Nestle packages, etc. What we help companies in is managing their financial system better, managing their liquidity better, and it is very relevant to the role of CFO. We see this is a fantastic initiative taken by these two, by ICAP and TerraBiz, and I think in improving Pakistan's economy, in improving the corporate sector, in improving the transparency and corporate governance in our industry, this is a fantastic initiative, and I think it will go a long way. I wish TerraBiz team and ICAP the best of luck, and I hope that in the future भी ये events ज़्यादा से ज़्यादातर हो सकें. Thank you.
जी, I'm Humayun Bashir, Country General Manager for IBM in Pakistan. I'm attending this conference, which is a great opportunity for all the CFOs and several CEOs to get together. What I'm pleasantly surprised to see that the theme and the role and of the CFO, the change that is required is being thought about and is being discussed. I, as CFO, am looking for the sales manager and my supply chain manager to be on my right, and my CFO and my HR leader to be on the left, and my CFO to be a business leader, a business-oriented CFO who can drive my business, who can drive my strategy, and not just be a controls person and a cash flow management and a policeman in the organization. Thank you.
So my name is Gerhard Wilke. I'm the CFO of Siemens Pakistan. That's the first time that I attend such a conference, and I also understand this is the first time that such a conference takes place here in Pakistan. So I look forward to see the views of other CFOs, in particular as I'm the only CFO here who is not from Pakistan. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad Amanullah Khan. I'm the CEO of Gillette Pakistan. I'm attending this conference here, CFO conference put together by ICAP and TerraBiz. I think it's an excellent opportunity for business people to come and attend and listen to some very eminent speakers. I've never seen a conference like this. I've been in Pakistan for over 15 years now. I was the CFO of Procter & Gamble before this, and I think it's great for us to impart knowledge over to each other and to share learnings. So I'm really looking forward to the rest of the session, and I really encourage TerraBiz and ICAP to please continue this and even invite foreign speakers like Raman Saab. He gave us some very insight into sustainability. So really enjoying the conference, and I think the turnout has been immense. So well done. Great job. Thank you so much.